Who's the person who has the wakewe wengi zaidi kuliko wote?
Kukudenja, one which is having 40 wives.
40 wives. Anakumbuka jina lote.
I have 2 wives.
You have 2 wives?
You?
0. All right, everyone. Karibu and welcome to Kisumu. I'm just outside of Kisumu. I came to this sacred site for the Luo people, the Luo tribe. They believe that God's spirit is here in these rocks because of the way they were arranged. So it's a very sacred spot. So they're actually a polygamous group, so the men can have more than 1 wife. I don't know if the wives can have more than 1 husband. We'll see about that. So our mission today is going to be to go find a wife or 2. No, I'm just playing. So I'm just going to go learn about culture and see why this place is so sacred. Many people come and pray here. So yeah, let's go check it out. And let's check out the cool formation of these rocks and see what's going on. Okay, I made it. I have my friends welcoming me. Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh. Ngumu no. Moja. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, we made it to the rock. We're going up to find the guide. Let's go. Jambo. Poa sana, wewe. Vizuri sana, okay. Okay, going up the rocks. Kit Mikayi. Oh, tumefika. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, here we have the story.
Uh-huh.
Here is a shrine.
Oh, the shrine, okay.
So people come here to pray
Mm-hmm.
and do fasting.
Fasting.
They're praying and fasting.
Okay.
No eating ugali.
No ugali.
Yeah.
Lakini mimi nataka ugali. Nataka ugali. Fasting kwa muda gani?
Some of them will stay here for 1 week.
1 week?
Some of them 3 days, some of them 4 days.
1 week bila chakula?
Bila chakula.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Cannot.
But you can drink water.
Drink water, okay.
Or soda.
Or soda.
Or biscuit.
Yeah.
It's written in Luo.
Luo. Mimi sijui kiluo.
Luo.
Kit Mikayi.
Kit means rock.
Rock.
Mikayi means first wife.
First wife.
So it is the rock of the first wife. We are a polygamy.
So it's polygamous.
To get more wives.
What about the wife? Wife can have more husband?
I have 2 wives.
You have 2 wives?
You?
0. I need 1. Why you have 2? I have 0. Oh no.
Wife is called Mikayi.
Mikayi.
The second wife is called Nyachira.
Yachira.
The third wife.
Third? Can have 3.
If you add more, we'll call Jadoho.
Oh, that's too many.
Do you like to be Jadoho?
That's too many. Wengi mno. How can I have so many?
Yeah.
Okay. So people here will have more than 3.
Yeah.
Oh.
But according to your pocket.
According to what?
Your pocket.
Pocket, yeah.
Your pocket. If your pocket is good.
Mfuko. Yeah, mfuko yangu.
More than
Mfuko yangu tupo. Tupo sana. People will be at the altar here.
Many 100 people.
Oh, sitting around here.
Yeah, when you come here on Saturday,
you
can get more people come here.
100 people. 100. Who's the person who has the wakewe wengi zaidi kuliko wote?
Kukudenja.
Kukudenja is what?
Is the one which is having 40 wives.
40 wives. 40 wives. Wow, he can remember. 40 wives.
40 wives.
Anakumbuka jina lote.
Yeah, Kukudenja.
I think if you have 40 wives, you cannot remember all the names. I want to visit him.
Yeah, you are going to visit.
We'll visit him. Yeah. Baadaye.
Now,
we go to the caves.
Yeah.
Kuwe makini. Yeah, inateleza.
No hurry in Kenya.
No hurry. Pole. Yes, pole. No hurry in Kenya.
Come and stand here and look at the work.
Okay, I'm coming.
Can you look at the work of God?
Oh, wow. Who put the rock?
God.
God. Okay, Mungu.
Mungu
analiweka.
Mungu giwa work.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So the mawe will not fall. Hayanguke, hayanguke. Mimi nina na wasiwasi. Kabisa, that is gonna be mzito sana. Hakuna? Okay, haina shida.
Look at this one again.
Oh, this one too. This one's gonna
It's
fall.
very scary, but
No,
it's stuck.
be
Step
careful.
here.
Okay, you go first. You go
Here,
first.
come like this. Look me.
I'm looking. I'm looking.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Who put this one here?
God.
God too. Okay.
God too.
God placed all the rocks here. So that's why it's a sacred place.
All these ones are for God.
Yeah. Oh my. So it's the Luo God? What's the name of the Luo God?
God.
God. Nasai. Ni dini ni.
Dini Catholic
Uh-huh.
and Legion.
And legends. So kuna dini Christian na dini awali ni Luo.
They are a Christian.
Christians, but also have the belief inatoka Luo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can you look up there? That is amazing.
who put that one there?
Hey, Holy
Nani,
God, Holy God,
nani aliweka.
Holy God. We are still going.
We're going here.
Bernard, mind your head.
I cannot. Mimi ni no.
No.
No. Haina nafasi.
You are fit.
I cannot fit.
You are fit.
Mimi ni mrefu and no. He thinks I fit in here?
You are fit.
Oh my God. Oh. Why is it? That's not. Oh gosh.
Wait, you are fit.
Okay, I fit. I barely fit.
That is another.
So, wanaomba hapo pia.
Wanaomba hapa pia.
Hapa, okay.
Hapa anaitwa kababa.
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 What is kababa inaishi?
Baba means
Oh, kababa.
Baba Simeo.
Oh, he's the baba. Oh, the bats are here.
The founder of Legion Maria.
Oh, he's the founder. So that's the ni picha.
In the picture.
Oh, he's the founder. Okay.
For Legion Maria. Who put the rock like this?
Who put the rock?
Hold it here.
Who put the rock
Hold
here?
it here.
Let's see who put it. Wewe.
Yeah.
Wewe. Uliweka. Wewe uliweka.
Uliweka na Mungu.
Wewe ni nguvu sana.
Put your head.
Yes.
Don't step here to step aside.
Yeah, slippery. I heard.
Yeah, be careful.
Okay.
And watch your head again.
Everywhere.
Look here.
Everywhere. I need a helmet. Ooh.
Okay.
No helmet for the Mateja.
Oh, that tree. Oh, the tree.
Altar number
That one
3.
is, Kamama.
Kamama ni nani?
Mary, Mama Maria.
Mama Maria. Okay.
Virgin Maria.
Virgin Maria.
Yeah.
Ni mkiwe na of the founder. Nimesahau. Gina la founder. Ondeto.
Yeah.
That's the wife.
Yeah.
Mkiwe.
Yeah. So we have the natural seat here. When you can sit here, you can get blessing.
Okay. What
Can you try to get blessing?
what type of blessing?
Blessing for God.
Can I get wives? How many wives?
You are going to get
I need
one wife.
One wife only?
When you go back,
Nilifikira kuna wengi. Just one?
you want 2 or 3.
2, 3, you can do 3.
Okay.
Okay, ninaomba.
Yeah. Then you
Okay,
go
I
back
think
2 wives.
3. What? 3?
3 wives.
Okay, well now it's 0, so I think
When you are
it's
single,
better.
you go and get
So people, watu wanakula? Na watu wanakula, wanalala.
watu wanalala hapa usiku.
Wanalala hapo usiku for 1 week, wiki moja.
For 1 week.
But hakuna nafasi.
If you can get answered, then you can go back.
Oh,
Yes.
well, it's cool, huh? Okay,
Okay, Mishongo, this rock is very slippery.
this is the most slippery. This is the most hot.
You can step here first.
It's the most dangerous rock.
Then step down here.
Okay, here. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You okay?
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, niko sawa. Asante. Good guide. Oh wow, that's gonna be hard.
Be careful, don't fall.
Yeah.
Come on, look at down where we were.
Oh, we were there.
Where we were.
Let's check it out.
Where we were.
We were there.
It's far, be careful.
Okay. Oh, no. Thank you, son. Oh, wow.
You want to go there?
This is where the Simba was in the Lion King, right? Wow. Look at that. But it's too dangerous over there. Atari.
Yes,
Second floor, second floor.
But you want to go to
Where's the
You
elevator?
want to go to the third floor.
Third floor. No, 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 no,
Up
no.
there, not up there.
Ah, that's the
there.
third floor.
Up there, not up there.
You want to go there?
You want to go there?
How to make it there? We'll watch the guy.
Yes.
Oh, I'm doing it? Okay.
Come here.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Where does this left foot go? Oh, I think I got it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ah, we did it. I'm rock climber, professional. Whoa, we did it.
You're in the top of the wall. You're in the top of the wall.
It's not hard. You can do it too. It's not far.
This is the highest point.
Highest point.
No one ever gone to the top.
No one got to the top.
Yeah. Do you like to break the record?
You will break the record, yeah. Break the record and break my back. We did it, guys. Made it to the top. Kuna harusi pia hapa.
Hapa.
Wow, okay. So next time mari nyingine unaweza kunialika. Yeah? For the wedding. For your wedding, your third wife.
Yes.
Yeah. Or for my wives. I will come here.
Come here with your wife. If you get wife,
Uh-huh.
come here with your wife. How old are you?
35.
35. Very young.
You too, 35.
You're very young. Me, I'm very old.
No, hapana.
Very old.
No, you're kijana.
I'm 45.
Oh, that's young. Wewe ni kijana. For sure. You got it.
You are Gen Z.
Gen Z, hapana. No. Already past Gen Z. Nimeshapita.
What's up in the Gen Z?
No, I'm Gen A. Oof. Hey, here too, an altar.
Yeah, many altars.
Many altars.
Many altars.
And so they altar and then they put the candle and then they sleep there.
Wax.
They put the wax and they stay the whole night.
Yeah, the old man.
Oh. And don't eat. Just water.
Water.
How and then do they what?
And soda.
Soda too.
Soda too.
And they pray, how do they pray?
We pray for
By
God.
singing or
They are singing.
only Waluo can come here or anyone?
Anyone.
Anyone can come here.
Some of them come from.
Are they praying there?
You are praying there.
Those women are
They are
praying?
very tired now.
Oh, they're praying. So there were some women praying.
They are praying at night. They are very tired.
So they're fasting now?
They are fasting.
They're praying, but we won't talk to them.
Yeah. You can talk to them.
I can talk to them?
You can talk to them.
Okay. Mambo. Oh, wanaomba sasa. Ah, okay, good. You walikuwa hapo muda mrefu? Oh, fasting? Wanafanya fasting?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Namaliza. Sasa nataka anza ya pili.
Uh-huh.
Eh.
Oh, here. So sasa unapumzika.
Napumzika.
Ah, okay. Good. Unahisi nzuri?
Nahisi vizuri.
But umechoka.
Nimechoka.
Relax
Sinachoka
kidogo.
Oh, unaweza wanaweza kupumzika. Okay, nice to meet you. I like the color ni nguo ni rangi mbali ni nzuri.
Sasa wewe nataka ukuwe na
Oh, it's the same. Same ni rangi moja. Blue.
Ukae na kubwa kaya.
Nini?
kaya na kubwa namna hii. Unaona?
Oh, wow. And then the this one? Nini?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
God.
Baba Simeo Melchio Messiah. Nice to meet you. Bye. Okay, so now we'll see the traditional dance. Ni namna ya kuomba. Entertainment too. Sawa. Okay. Oh, they like the colors. They have different colors here. Me too. So I come there. I don't know. Maybe sijui kucheza. Okay, asante.
Hiyo asante.
I got this too. Asante. Oh, asante. You don't dance? You dance? You know? I was dancing for myself. He's coming, yeah. We got him. Oh, I cannot do that. That's too low. Oh, good job. Good job. Thank you. Very good, everyone. Hodari sana. Asante. Mimi nacheza mara moja. Mara moja, mwaka moja. Mwaka moja. Yeah, once a year. So this first time. Ni mara la moja. Mara la kwanza. Ni mara la kwanza. Mwaka hii ni mara la kwanza. Yeah. Next year. Mwaka ujao. Mwaka ujao nitacheza tena. Nitarudi hapo. Asante. Okay, everyone. Yabo? Punde? Unaweza kula? Tamu, ni tamu? Naweza kuonja? No? Wakipika. Wakipika. So, okay, nitarudi ya kuonja. Asante. Okay. Mambo. Bye, everyone. Asante.